built my own business from scratch, wore every hat, made every call, embraced every challenge. Switching to Stryker, I brought that same all-in mentality. Now I'm part of a team where quality isn't just expected, it's engineered.
I started in Stryker as an engineer 26 years ago. I worked in operations and quality and even helped build the Imagine Institute. Stryker brought out the best in me and it'll bring out the best in you.
I started off in Stryker when I was 16, just a work experience student with a curious mind. Now I'm back, I'm in university, and I'm on my co-op, and I still feel like I'm learning from the best.
I had the usual worries about returning after maternity leave, but the welcome was genuine. No pressure, just people who cared. As a mum, it means more. Every patient is someone's child. Playing a role in their healing is what drives me.
In the Army, every mission had a purpose and a team you could count on. At Stryker, the mission is new, the mindset is the same, we have each other's back, we deliver what matters, and we get the job done.
After 27 years, I needed a career change. I was ready to grow again, to learn, start afresh, and do something that mattered. At Stryker, I found the freedom to build a new path and the support to thrive. And Jackson, he reminds me every day why we do this, to help make healthcare better.